baby dolls, Kayci here, welcoming you to my world. If you're a regular, then welcome back. If you're new here, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button for weekly content. So if you clicked on this video, you know exactly what you're getting yourself into. I am going to be completely making over my closet. You don't get a 100% before shot of my closet because I thought that doing what I wanted to do was only gonna take me an hour and it's not really that interesting for me to film a video about it. But the minute I took everything out of my closet, I realized that I have way too much crap, and I also realized that I hate the way the inside of my closet looks. It was never painted over, and so it has all those kitty stains and it has a lot of holes and crap, and it just looks nasty. It's that nasty plain white color, which doesn't go with the color scheme of the rest of my room. So the minute that I saw that, I knew that I had some paint left over, some purple paint left over, and I told myself, you know what, I've never painted anything before, but I want to do it and it's quarantine, so why not? So that's what I'm going to be doing in this video. I'm going to be painting my closet purple, and then after that, trying to fix everything that I took out of it. I'm showing you everything that I took out of my closet. This is all the clothes that was on my closet. I have way too much clothes. Definitely got to do some decluttering and all that. Also got some more clothes here. That is clean clothes that I haven't folded yet. I've got more clothes. That's the paint and more clothes. I took all of this out of my closet, and that bag right there is dirty clothes. So yeah, there's definitely an abundance of things going on here, and obviously stuff that doesn't fit in my closet goes on my bookshelf. So this is also equally a mess. To be honest, this is a closet, right? So when I open it, I'm not gonna look directly at the ceiling. I'm gonna look at the clothes that I have here. So I'm not gonna put the tape on the ceiling, but I'm basically gonna paint everything that pretty purple color. So my door is also disgusting, and maybe one day I will paint over it white, but for today I'm just gonna focus on the closet since I don't really stare at my door. Maybe I can put a poster there. I don't know, we'll see, we'll play by ear. That's aesthetically pleasing. Watch me paint my room. watch me paint out. Watch me paint out. Watch me paint out. Right. Disclaimer, I've never done this before, so if you're like a painter person and you look at this and you're like, bro, that is the shittiest paint job I've ever seen, well, you know what, I ain't a painter, but like I said, I think this is less about how the paint coat looks and more about like just covering all this shit up with a different color. Closet done. Hey beautiful human beings, I did about half of the closet so far, which isn't too bad because as you saw I was using a tiny ass brush. Obviously it's patchy, but like I said before, I think it's less about the way the actual coat looks and just about like when I walk into the room I can just see, you know, mostly one color and not white with a bunch of nasty holes and stains and stuff. I was sweating bullets in this small space, so me and my mom are going to go to a paint shop or Home Depot, whatever doesn't have a gigantic line, and get those roller thingies so that I'm not like painting with one tiny brush. I think that will like make it easier for me to finish and make me finish this quicker.
To know you'll always be with your style of love, inseparable.
guys, okay, so this is day number 2, and sorry that you didn't get to see me finish completely aesthetically painting the closet. I filmed with my phone and I forgot to charge it before I started filming, so it kind of died midway. Look at my ceiling. Well, now that the closet is done, we can start sorting through my clothes and getting rid of some stuff. So the first thing I'm gonna go through right now is pants and shorts and all that jazz. I have a lot. Okay, there's already 2 piles of pants that I haven't sorted through. I think I'm going to make this side the donate pile and this side the keep pile. So these two, this actually belongs in my pajama section, so I don't know what I'm doing with it here. These don't fit me yet, and I don't know exactly what I'm gonna wear them with, but for some reason I don't want to get rid of them yet. So I'm also gonna turn them into pajama shorts. So I guess this goes in a whole completely different pile. Upon careful consideration and looking, I have decided that I want to keep most of my pants. The only things that I am donating are these little things. So I guess I got rid of something, but there's a lot more, which I think is okay. It's because I'm in this weird space where I'm currently losing weight, so I need things that are smaller for when I can actually fit into them, which is why I'm keeping them. So I only really got rid of things that I don't like the way they fit me, or I don't like the color scheme, or I think I don't really have that many pieces to pair them with. Those are the things that I'm getting rid of, and there just weren't that many things that I could say that about. I think it's okay. I think I'm gonna commit to cleaning out my closet every 3 to 6 months, depending on how much weight I lose in that time frame. I'm definitely gonna re-clean my closet when I'm thinner and I can get rid of more things, since the majority of the things I own in my closet fit me right now, and I plan to be a lot less than I am right now. This mess of things that came out of my closet is next on the to-do list. You can't see it, but I have this big box and then the lid that goes on top of the big box. So the stuff that I put on the lid, I'm going to keep in my closet, and the stuff that I put in the box, I am going to give away or donate. It's in my color palette, and I also have other things that I can wear it with. I haven't worn it in like 2 years, which is insane, but I really do like this shirt, and I remember that when I first graduated from high school, I wore it with almost everything because that's how much I liked it. It's also oversized, and I really like that look, and you know, school spirit. So this is definitely a keep. Okay, folks, so you've seen me do this a couple times, and you're going to continue to see me do it. See, there I go again. I am putting the clothes next to my face to see how it would look on my skin tone. Yes, I could have put it on my arm, but I decided not to. Oh, now we've reached the hard decision. This dress, I got it a really long time ago, and it never, honest to God, it never fit me. And I always wanted it to. I know my mom wanted to take it away from me, and I was like, Mom, you can't have this dress. This is my dress. But I feel like it's time to retire this and give it away to my mom. I feel like if I really want a dress like this with this color scheme, I can find something similar enough to it and put it together. I don't think this is it, so gonna put that in the donate pile. Hola muchachos. So I figured that I would just voice over pretty much all of this because I know it can be a little tedious and boring to just watch me sift through my clothing, especially since I'm not giving you adequate reasoning as to why I'm getting rid of what. But yes, this was pretty much my process, seeing how it looked on my skin tone. If it was red or yellow, 9 out of 10 times I already knew that I wanted it because those colors are warmer and that is my skin tone. I fall into the warm autumn-ish kind of palette or what may have you. But yes, that is the process of elimination that was going through my head. Just in case you guys wanted to know, that is a circle skirt and I had to keep it for auditions and character things. I got that just in Ireland. That doesn't fit me yet, but it will. So yeah, guys, let's just listen to my voice. Let's make this an artsy podcast of sorts. Yeah? You feel me? Okay, so this is the pile of things that I'm going to keep that I need to figure out how I'm going to organize and fit in there. Maybe I'll put some of them in storage. Who knows? Because not all of them fit me at this point. And these are the things that I'm giving away. I think I got rid of about 25% of my closet at this point. Not bad. So it is day number 3, and this is how my closet looks so far. I'm really digging it. I know these sweaters kind of look a little in your face, but I have a lot of them, so they kind of just have to go there. Nonetheless, it kind of looks like a centerpiece of my closet, so I'm really digging it. Next on the list are shoes. I was originally going to take you through all my hats and headwear, but after trying all of them on, I realized I just love them way too much to part with them. I only ended up getting rid of 2 of them. So what was the point of that? I really didn't declutter anything. For shoes, Uggs. These are basically my winter boots and I wear them with everything. I know I need more, but they're black, so they go with everything. Gotta keep these. They kind of hurt me, but I also really want to wear them. I'm gonna give them 3 to 6 months time, and if I still haven't worn them then we're gonna be giving them away. But for now, I like them, so they're staying. Toss, I never wear them and they're uncomfortable. White flats that don't look white anymore and actually always hurt the back of my foot, ankle. Toss. Toss. Keeping these. These are brand new. I think my abuela got them for me recently. I haven't worn them yet. I'm gonna give them another 3 to 6 months. Plain white sneakers, which are actually quite uncomfortable. And I'm planning on getting a new pair of white sneakers. So I think that for now, at least I can toss these. These gold shoes I've actually worn to a lot of parties and I plan to wear them more in the future. They look nice on my feet and they complement my skin tone. So keeping these. These shoes also hurt the back of my feet and I don't really see myself wearing them with anything on a daily basis. Maybe a party, but no. These shoes that I've never actually worn. I have a lot of pretty frilly flats, but the downside is that I don't ever wear them unless it's a party. And I kind of already have some nice shoes for parties. I don't think I kept a black pair, so I'll keep these. These are all the shoes that I am keeping. It's a huge ass pile. Okay, so I literally didn't show you any shoes. I just showed you my upper thigh and calf. Sorry. And these are the shoes that I'm getting rid of. So I'm not getting rid of too many, but I think it's enough for me to include this in the video. At least it's more than 2 like it was with my hats. Now I'm going to try and piece this all together into my closet. So it is day number 3 and my closet is officially finished. Yeah! If you have made it this far in my video, then comment the baseball cap emoji because I am wearing a hat today and I am very, very happy that I kept it and along with all my other hats. So to show you a more in-depth look, these are all my hats. They're all stacked up on each other and this is directly above all of my sweaters and pants and stuff. So it's very like organized and it kind of flows. It's like centerpiece on top of a centerpiece. I'm really digging it. I even kind of color coded it in a way. So these are warmer colors and these are cooler colors. Down here, this is storage. And then on top of that, I have a box full of shoes, which I actually got this idea from Avery Overd. So thank you so much for that. I just feel super, super proud of myself that I painted it on my own. And I got rid of so much crap. I mean, can you see? And there's more to get rid of. I have to sort through my t-shirts. But my friends, that is a video for another day. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you come back again.
It was cold at night.